Hey, welcome back everybody. So while we got some stuff drying on the F650 project, I'm over here working on the Chevy Trax, and we're doing a dent removal on it. So let's get into it and I'll show you how I get these big dents out and finish them out. Okay, so we have pretty well got this panel out. Let's show it over here and I'll show you what we got. We've pretty well got this panel out. Now I've just got to go in here and weld the little spot welds back in where we had to cut those out. So let's do that and then we'll get some finish filler on this and get it primed. So hang tight. Okay, so we are starting to smooth this panel out. We're going to have to probably apply a little bit more filler here in a couple areas, but other than that, it's starting to come out pretty decent. So we're going to finish on this and try to get this done today. So all right, we have got the finish work done on it, so now we're going to go ahead and put some prime on this. We may have to sand it once after we put the prime on it, and it's going to be ready to spray, so let's get to it. All right, so we have got this thing primed, so now we're going to let it sit and dry. We'll sand it, probably wet sand it after this, get it nice and good and smooth with 300, 600 grit, and then we'll put some paint on it, and it should look just the same as the rest of the panel. All right, so we've got this thing wet sanded, and now we're going to go ahead and get some color on it, followed by the clear. You see me do this in the past before, but today we're going to rock it, so let's get it done. right, folks, and there you have it. The panel is actually completely done now. We've got it sprayed, we've got it put back together on this side, and collision no more. So if you like what we're doing, you want to see more of it, folks, hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.